How to delete Studypool account? Follow the instructions. Log into your Studypool account. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the bottom of the Settings page. Find the Contact Support or Help option. Click on Contact Us or Help Center. In the support form or email, write a message requesting account deletion. Include your account username and registered email address in the message. Send the message to privacy@studypool.com or through the contact form. Wait for a response from the Studypool support team. Follow any additional steps they may ask for confirmation. Once confirmed, your account will be scheduled for deletion. Thank you for watching.